situation that's happening in here that we are super, super excited about. So ever since we added the window in our kitchen, I have been loving the fact that it lets in so much more light, and I just love the look of adding windows up here. And so Cougar Windows is coming tomorrow to install windows above these doors, and I am so beyond excited. Oh, they're just gonna be so pretty. And so they came a couple of weeks ago to kind of do some measurements and stuff like that. I did do a couple of videos of them measuring everything and kind of going over some of the details. And so I will share those videos in just a second, but can you imagine how pretty it's going to be to have the windows above these doors? And I just think it's gonna really draw your eye up. And the windows that we got are also the gridded, they are black. And so I just think that it's going to change the look of this room so, so much. This is where we are at as far as the window situation goes. They knew that there was gonna be electrical in this wall, but they didn't really know exactly where it was gonna be. They were hopeful that it would be closer to either the bottom or the top. It just happens to be right in the middle of where the windows will be. So they have an electrician on their way over here this afternoon to rewire that before they can frame. But pretty much the size of the window is going to be just so pretty. It's going to be just, it's gonna sit right on top of this beam right there and then right there. And so then we're gonna take all of these out. And then I'm so grateful that they are doing all the construction part outside. And then they, right before they install the windows, they will take off that drywall for the interior. That way my house isn't gonna be hot and there's no mess in there, and it's just a game changer. So if you are looking for someone to install windows or doors for you guys, they are amazing. They're clean. Everything tarped off back here and taped off so that they could like clean up really, really well. And so I appreciate that they also cleaned before they even got started. There was like just like random things from just the wind and stuff like that right there. So they cleaned everything up. Here comes Molly. There she is. What do you think? So they cleaned everything up, and they will finish framing and stuff like that tomorrow as soon as like the electrical and stuff like that gets moved. So there we are. While we were gone at our staycation, the windows got all finished, the stucco, the drywall repair, all that stuff happened. So happy about it. It looks amazing. And now Brian is in there. He's taking off all the stickers, getting everything cleaned up. And then we have to wait, I want to say it's like 10 days or something like that, so we can paint the stucco. We're going to check with the stucco guy because this has to like cure. So then once that's all done, I will have this all, I will paint it, and then we will have the full reveal and all the details of this project ready for you guys.